right? So as you can see on the screen, the vibration of gratitude attracts more positive things into your life. Now, if we want to achieve any goal in our life, the secret is gratitude. If we start feeling gratitude, automatically we become like a magnet. Because there is a rule of the universe says like attracts like. जैसी हमारी फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी वैसी चीजें हम यूनिवर्स से अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. आई होप यू ऑल रिमेम्बर दिस कोन, और मे बी सम ऑफ यू आर watching this for the first time. This is called emotional frequency chart. So Dr. David Hawkins, he has done this research. He has found frequency of each and every emotion which we feel in our life. तो जो भी हम इमोशन फील करते हैं उसकी एक फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है. Whether it is shame, guilt, apathy, grief, fear, desire, anger, etc. So what he found, the lowest frequency is shame. So when we feel insecure, humiliation, when we start feeling miserable, that is lowest frequency. उसका frequency का number क्या है? 20 hertz, only 20 hertz. So when we are vibrating on low frequency, we start feeling drained, right? Feeling weakness in the body, and low motivation or no motivation to do anything. So when we are in low frequency, we attract problems in our life, you know. जब हम लो फ्रीक्वेंसी में होते हैं तो हमारी लाइफ में और ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स आती है. because we became magnet for the problems, troubled people, or some people who are cheating us, annoying us, or some situation, challenging situation which we are not able to face at all, or we are losing something in our life, maybe money, people, right? So it's so dangerous, na? If we are vibrating on low frequency, it is very dangerous. And opposite to it, there are some high frequency: love, joy, peace, gratitude. In this chart, it is not mentioned, but the gratitude, the frequency of gratitude is around 540 to 550 hertz. Joy, peace के बीच में आता है, almost equals to joy. Right? अगर हम अपने माइंड को ट्रेन कर सकें to feel gratitude most of the time, all the time it is not possible, because there is a range of emotion we going through in life during the day, but we have power to shift our emotion, that is for sure. इतना तो आपको समझ में आ गया होगा through NLP. Now whatever 3-4 sessions we have so far, we can shift our frequency, right? Using DDG, WAC, right? Principles of the universe. So there is a beautiful story of a person who has written this book, 365 Days of Gratitude. John Kralik. So when he was middle-aged, he was a lawyer and going through a lot of difficulty in his life. हम सबके साथ होता है कभी ना कभी. Doesn't matter we are at our middle age, early age, old age. ये सबके जीवन में ये dark phase आता ही है. So at that time his law firm, it was failing. बहुत सारा loss हो रहा था उनको. Relationships, they were troubled, failing apart. The struggle, financial struggle, emotionally he was struggling. So one fine day when he woke up early in the morning, because Brahma Muhurat, no? Although they don't say it, but everybody knows this Brahma Muhurat is very powerful time. At that time the vibrations are high, collective vibration of the planet is high, right? Because at this time most of the yogis, sadhakas, spiritual personality, they wake up and they meditate, or some people they chant. So one fine morning he realized, maybe I should start focusing on right things which is already there in my life instead of wrongs. हम सबके जीवन में कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा तो है ही, and something is just there falling apart or we are failing, right? Do you agree with me? तो Instead of complaining, I think I should start focusing on gratitude. Whatever blessings I have in my life, right? Maybe simple gratitude. I can see, I can hear, I can talk, I have roof on my head, right? So he started writing. Writing is the key. When we change invisible to visible, and when we are writing, actually we are writing our future. He started writing with gratitude. Today I got a wonderful coffee or hot drink, whatever he got at that day. I'm thankful for my children, for my clients who trusted me, my wife, and my parents. So when he started writing this gratitude, magical things are happening in his, and started to happen in this life, in his life. He started feeling better. सबसे पहले तो उसको अच्छा लगने लगा, नो लाइफ इतनी खराब नहीं है जितना मैं सोच रहा हूँ या मैं सोच रही हूँ, इतनी खराब नहीं है लाइफ. So slowly by writing these simple gratitude, he started attracting more opportunities in his life. He started improving his relationships. 1 साल के अंदर उसका बिजनेस ठीक हो गया. His relationship जो भी उसमें प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी वो सब ठीक होने लगे. And after 1 year, he wrote this book, 365 Days. Thank you. The year, a simple act of daily gratitude changed my life. आप चाहे तो इस बुक को देख सकते हैं, Amazon पे मिलता है. So gratitude does not change what you have, but it changes what you see, what you feel. And our feelings, they are signature to the universe. If we start feeling better, better things will start coming in our life. तो याद रखिए, इसका चाहे तो आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस चार्ट. Whenever it is like a self check, if I am vibrating on low frequency, I need to shift. And feeling gratitude is the easiest way to shift your frequency. जैसे ही आप ग्रेटिट्यूड फील करना शुरू करते हैं छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए जो आपके जीवन में ऑलरेडी, हमारी फ्रीक्वेंसी फीलिंग्स शिफ्ट हो जाती है. So today we have to rewrite our story. We will do the meditation, but this is your assignment. आपको gratitude लिखना है. Yesterday, what I was grateful for. ऐसा क्या हुआ जिसके लिए मैं gratitude feel करती हूँ. Whatever blessings, there's X, Y, Z, so many blessings I have in my life. Start writing them. There could be so many challenges. I'm not denying. There are challenges are everywhere in every person's life. But we have to rewrite our story. So one writer was there, one more short story, then we will start the meditation. So he was retired and he had gone through a surgery. एक राइटर थे, रिटायर हो गए थे, कुछ सर्जरी, मेजर सर्जरी हुआ उनको. And he was on bed rest in the hospital. So he was writing, I had surgery. My gallbladder removed. I got retired. My father passed away this year. My son failed his exam. There was an accident in the family. My car damaged. And when he was writing all these things, he was feeling miserable. थोड़ी देर बाद, after some time, his wife came in. उन्होंने देखा what he has written. And his husband, her husband were very upset. She read entire thing. बाहर गई वो. On the other side of the paper, she wrote something and came inside, came back. And उन्होंने पेपर दिया अपने हस्बैंड को. उन्होंने लिखा था, although my gallbladder removed, the operation happened, but now I am free from pain. पहले बहुत पेन होता था, but there is no pain now. Although I got retired, but I have sound health, a sound body. My father passed away this year at the age of 90 without any critical condition. My son failed, but yeah, he's still alive. He's trying his best. There was an accident, but we all are okay, alive. There's no disability. We are self-dependent. So like this, she changed the entire perspective towards seeing the things, isn't it? Can we also do the same? हम भी ऐसा कर सकते हैं. Instead of focusing on the dark side of the event of our life, we can start focusing on what is learning for me. How can I progress? How can I improve? How can I become better? Do things differently. Right? So this is all about gratitude. So let us start our meditation. Sorry, today it is little longer explanation. आराम से बैठ जाइए. Now we'll take only 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes gratitude meditation. Take a deep breath in. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. Focus on your breath. Take deep breath in, as if a relaxation going inside, and exhale all tension, all self-doubt. Inhale again. Relaxation going in, and exhale any kind of tension, self-doubt. Relax your forehead. Relax your facial muscles. Relax your eyes, shoulder. Relax your back. Relax your entire body. अपनी पूरी बॉडी को एकदम रिलैक्स करते हैं. Very good. And just feel your breath. Focus on your breath completely. And release all the tensions. Bring this calm within you. First of all, we will thank our body. Thank you to your body that I am alive. I can breathe. My lungs are functioning properly. Thank you to my lungs. Thank you to my brain. Thank you to my heart, to my digestive system. Let this express your gratitude to your body. My hands, my legs. I can walk. I can do things with my hands. For the nervous system, sending signal to my body. Thank you to my digestion. उसकी वजह से I can digest whatever I eat. I get energy to do my work. अपने शरीर के हर एक पार्ट को आप थैंक यू बोलेंगे. Because gratitude softens resistance. कोई भी रेजिस्टेंस है आपकी बॉडी में, it will release. Now visualize all the people who have played very important role in your life. उन सब लोगों को आप एक के बाद एक याद करेंगे जो आपके जीवन में बहुत ज्यादा महत्व रखते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा आपको हेल्प किए हैं. maybe your parents, teachers, since birth till today, all the people who helped you a lot, supported you. देखिए आपको कौन कौन याद आ रहा है, उन सबको आने दीजिए. And they are, just imagine they are in front of you, they are standing in front of you. जिन्होंने आपको प्यार किया है, आपका ध्यान रखा है. Anybody has done any favor to you? आपके फ्रेंड्स जिन्होंने आपको मदद की है. See all of them, they are smiling. And they are still ready to help you. You can see so many people in front of you. Who are there to support you, love you. You have received so many things, so many blessings from them. They all are smiling. Your elders, they are blessing you. Receive their blessing gracefully. Bow down your elders in gratitude, and your friends with love and affection. Show your gratitude to them. Now imagine on your left hand side there are so many people who helped you. Maybe you do not know them. ऐसे लोग जो आपको बहुत मदद कर चुके हैं और मे बी आप उनको जानते नहीं हैं. Who are helping you indirectly. You don't know them, but you are taking their favors. You are taking their help each and every day. कौन है ये लोग? Think about it. Unknown faces. That farmer, that shopkeeper, farmer जो कि खेती करता है. In all sunny days, the farmer is working in a hot day in the field, growing food, growing grains for you and me, vegetables, and providing for us. That shopkeeper, that vendor, who is supplying all the necessities of life, grains, vegetables, different kinds of spices. Then today, आज तक शायद हमने कभी नहीं बोला. We never noticed them. No, they play a very important role in our life. Let us express our gratitude towards them. ऐसे जितने भी लोगों को आप याद कर सकते हैं. Maybe sweeper who is cleaning the road, house help who is helping you in cleaning your house. That carpenter who has made beautiful furniture in your house. The plumber, whenever there is a problem, there is a leak, you call for a plumber and they repair it. Doctors, whenever we fall sick, we go to them and get better. The soldiers who are protecting us from, who are always standing alert on the border and helping us to sleep, to have a peaceful sleep at night. We feel safe and secure because they are standing and protecting us. Let us express our gratitude to our army, सो देयर आर काउंटलेस पीपल लाइक दिस, जिनके प्रति हम अपना ग्रेटिट्यूड एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं, राइट? लिस्ट इज अनलिमिटेड, so recall as many people as you can, those unknown faces, unknown people who are indirectly helping you so much to live a peaceful, comfortable life. Electricity, water, supplier, internet provider, bow down to all of them. Thank you so much for making life so easy. आप सब लोग का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमें मदद करने के लिए। अभी हम ग्रेटिट्यूड एक्सप्रेस करेंगे टू ऑल दोज पीपल who are not on the planet yet. They have left this planet, but they played very important role in our life. Let us show our gratitude to our ancestors. शायद हमने कभी किया नहीं होगा. Today we will express our gratitude to our ancestors. All the great personalities who have walked on this planet, gave so many good teachings, learning to all of us. To our gurus, our Srila Prabhupada, or anyone in your family, maybe Guru Nanak Dev, जिन भी भगवान को आप मानते हैं, जो भी महापुरुष आपकी जनरेशन में हुए हैं, let us express our gratitude. We can also express our gratitude to our freedom fighters. Because of them, they have gone through a lot of pain. We are living a comfortable life. We are independent. And the human race has gone through a lot of hardship throughout so many centuries. But we have received the knowledge, wisdom from all these people. जो भी ज्ञान हमें मिला है, विजडम मिला है, इनकी वजह से मिली है। तो अपने पूर्वजों को, अपने गुरुओं को, जो भी ना ऐसे लोग हुए जिन्होंने त्याग किया है अपने जीवन में मानवता के लिए, उन सभी के लिए बहुत बहुत ग्रेटिट्यूड। Bow down to all of them. Now imagine one more circle which is maybe behind you, and there are so many things we have to pay gratitude. One of them is Mother Nature, right? Now, Mother Nature is always working for us, delivering so many gifts, rivers, mountains, fruits, vegetables. She's providing selflessly, always, all the time. Mother Nature हमेशा देती है. She never expects anything from us in return. So entire nature is working to provide us comfort, facilities, nourishment. Start noticing all the gifts we have received from Mother Nature. एक जो फूल आप देखते हैं जो आपको खुशी देता है, whenever you see a small flower, you feel happy. See the mountain, rivers, they're so huge, abundant. Sometimes it feels, yeah, you see the sky, limitless, the vegetation, water, which quenches our thirst. Accept all these blessings gratefully, gracefully. Thank you, Mother Nature, for giving so much. Now see all these people together, all these blessings together. It is surrounding you. सभी लोग आपको चारों तरफ घेर के जैसे खड़े हैं और अपनी ब्लेसिंग्स दे रहे हैं. योर पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स, फ्रेंड्स, elders, ancestors, your spiritual gurus, Mother Nature, her blessings, all the society people who are always helping you indirectly, making your life comfortable, easy. Everybody is blessing you, and you are showing your gratitude to all of them with bottom of your heart. Now imagine a beautiful golden light is coming from sky. एक बहुत सुंदर सी लाइट जो स्पेस से आ रही है, it's coming from the spiritual world, from Lord Krishna, or from your any of the God you have faith, you are connected to, and He is blessing you now. And this light is completely covering you, surrounding you, and you are feeling that blessing. Yeah, I'm there to protect you. He is telling you, I'm there to protect you. I'm there to provide you. Do not worry. Just do your duty. That's it. Absorb this high vibration of gratitude. I'm blessed. I'm a receiver. I'm grateful. I can achieve my goal easily, effortlessly. I'm attracting opportunity in my life. My relationships, they are improving. I'm getting so much wisdom. I'm learning so many new ways to deal with the people, to handle challenges in my life. I'm evolving. I'm progressing in life. Miracles are on the way. I'm so blessed. I'm part of Krishna. I have unlimited potential. Take a deep breath in and set an intention for the day. Set an intention that I will try to remain in this vibration of gratitude throughout the day. I will try my best. मैं पूरी तरह कोशिश करूंगी कि मैं ग्रेटिट्यूड दिन भर फील करूं. जब भी कोई लो वाइब्रेशन आएगा, आई विल चेंज इट विथ ग्रेटिट्यूड. आई विल रिकॉल दिस मेडिटेशन. देयर आर सो मेनी ब्लेसिंग्स इन माय लाइफ. It's not happiness that brings us gratitude. It is actually gratitude that brings us happiness and success in life. You see anybody who is happy, satisfied, successful in their life, the reason is gratitude. Instead of complain, they have just gratitude in their heart. And complaints, they deal with it wisely. So thank you so much. You can open your eyes and let me know how are you feeling in the chat box. क्या आप ये मेडिटेशन कर पाए, और अगर आपने किया है तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है? One word in the chat box, then we will end. Was it okay? Could you hear properly? It was audible? Mhm. Thank you. Thank you so much, Kia, Chandrakant Prabhu, Jagdish Prabhu ji, for joining this live meditation. Always remember, gratitude is the key to abundance. If we want anything good in our life, start feeling gratitude, whatever you already have in your life. Then it will start expanding. Yes. Thank you so much.
हरे कृष्ण, थैंक यू वेरी
Have a wonderful day ahead. आपका दिन बहुत मंगलमय हो. You can start chanting now. So in this gratitude mood, when you chant, you will feel blessing of Krishna when you chant each and every mantra. Right? Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Thank you.
हरे कृष्ण, थैंक यू।
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhu. Hare Krishna. Maheshwar Prabhu ji. Hare Krishna.